it's Layle with Layle by Mail, and I am here today to share with you the July-August Traveler's Notebook Kit. So we'll first take a look at what I did with the kit, then we'll look at the contents of the kit. So I have used two collections from Crate Paper for this kit. The first one is the, oh my gosh, you guys, so fun, Sunny Days collection. And I just can't get enough of it. It is so stinking cute. The colors in it are just so sweet, and it's actually a little bit of a departure from maybe your traditional summer colors that you'd see. So it's got very much a little kind of fun beachy theme, and then just really all kinds of different things, florals and butterflies. And so I have decorated the pockets and included a few little fun things in the little kind of doodads in the kit. We're covering two inserts, as we always do. So this one, I thought this was so fun. This is my happy place, and beautiful artwork in the collection. We're also going to make this little pinwheel clip in the plan with me. So that is the first insert. Then the second insert, and this really gives you a good feel for the graphics in the collection and the icons. Look at how fun the umbrellas and the swimsuits, the beach bags, sunglasses, and so forth. So that is the July kit using the Crate Paper Sunny Days collection. I have in my little traveler's notebook one of my brand new pineapple pens, so those are available on my website. So that's a little gold one, and it goes really well with the collection. I'm showing this in the Aztec, and I like to use the Aztec a lot just because it's super neutral inside. So a couple of others that would look great this month. The Cream Dot also has a really super neutral inside with a little dot there. Oh gosh, this one, the Pink Suede. So it's a beautiful pink suede, and the inside, wouldn't that be fun? So it would give it a totally different look. So a little bit of a different configuration with that particular traveler's notebook. There's the pink suede. And then, well, actually I have lots of new ones, you guys. The hexagon, and this is really pretty, but look at the inside with that mint, and then that kind of saddle brown is so gorgeous. And then two more that I'm even just showing with this one. If you're a floral gal, this one is beautiful with that nice little tassel there, and really plain on the inside. Definitely a different configuration with just the secretarial pocket there and the side pocket there. Oh, this one also comes with two inserts. And then this last little one, and this is that beautiful kind of gold foil. You can see the gold foil there. And as we move to the inside, again, all white with two inserts. So really, any of those, if you're in the market for a new traveler's notebook, would be great with July and August. Okay, so that is July. And I just love this one. Isn't she so fun, that little gal in the car driving on the road? Oh, I should be careful with my nails, you guys, showing you too closely. I have done tips for years and gel on top of tips, and I'm trying to give my nails a break, so excuse that, please. Okay, the next one, this is the August kit, and the August kit is using, again, Crate Paper. This is the All Heart collection. You guys, it is just fun. It's a really different collection, just really fun. Lots of different graphics, some florals mixed in, lots of pink. I love my pink, and some really good kind of positive sentiments. Think less, live more, yay for today, good times ahead, girl, you got this with all your heart, and so forth. So this is what we've used to slip cover the first insert, and then the second one. And this one I just left pretty plain because the paper was so decorative as it was, and that's why I picked that paper. You don't always have to decorate your inserts. I've paired this with that really pretty rose gold pineapple pen, and look how fun would this be if you've got the rose gold pineapple pen. The hexagon traveler's notebook for August would be gorgeous. All right, so that is what I have done with the kit this month. Lots of more little doodads here that we will work in. So let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So as always, you have one standard wide insert that we'll be slip covering, and then we move into the Sunny Days collection. So with this, you have, well, it's really one 12 by 12 sticker sheet, but they have it folded and split into two 6 by 12 sticker sheets. But So fun. And you know what, you guys? There is so much product left over. There's so many stickers left over that you can decorate the insides of your inserts. If you're using monthly inserts, you can decorate your calendar. So lots of great options there. And then the 3 papers. So I think this has to be one of my favorites, like I mentioned. Just the graphics are so wonderful. On the back side of this we're using a little piece of this that's left over to make our cute little pinwheel clip. And then I'm a sucker for a good polka dot. And then also navy. Navy is one of my favorite colors. It's such a great neutral. So that's that navy polka dot. Beautiful floral on back. So if you wanted to get a little bit more decorative, you could cover with the floral side instead of the polka dot side. And then we have the cut-aparts. And the crepe paper cut-aparts are wonderful because you have a combination of, you have a 4x6, that's a little bit smaller than a 4x6, some squares, some rectangles, and then you have all of these tags, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had used, let me pull that back out here, a number of those tags to decorate with, but those tags go so far because look at all the different pattern that you get off of that one sheet of paper with all of those tags. And of course, because it is double-sided, you've got a really super kind of neutral on the back side with that stripe. All right, so that is the sunny days part of the kit. Then we move into the all heart part. That rhymes. The whole all heart part of the kit. Say that 10 times fast. All right, so you have the stickers, 80 stickers there. And again, there's so many stickers here that I did not work in, you guys, so you have lots of extras to play with. If you're a cat lover, how cute is that cat? She shines. Again, some really good positive affirmations. Be kind to others. You are gold. Ugh. I kind of like that one too. That's a good one. All right. Then we move into the papers. So this beautiful floral that I covered one of the inserts with that nice pink polka dot on the back side. This is what I covered that second insert with. So wonderful affirmations again. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. Good times ahead. Yay for today. And then on the back side, just a really plain notebook. And then we have the cut-aparts here. So the cut-aparts, again, you see lots of different sizes and shapes and colors and patterns, which makes it so fun. Just perfectly suited for decorating those inside pockets. And then on the back side, just a really plain, basic kind of paper bag look, but we use a little bit of that in part of our pockets. Okay, friends, that is the July and August kit for the month. If you haven't heard, I have a brand new website. It's now super easy to order. Just go to laylebymail.com and you will see everything that you need. You can order and pay for the kit directly from there, as well as any of the accessories that I showed you. So the different traveler's notebooks, I have more inserts on there, pens, all kinds of goodies. So go visit laylebymail.com and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.